Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, I'm pretty excited for this one because I'm finally getting to check out Carnivore Club. You guys know how much I love beef jerky, so let's go. Alright, so what exactly is Carnivore Club? Well, it's a monthly subscription service that you get premium cured meats delivered right to your door, and right here it says it was the world's first subscription service doing that exact thing. So how it works: sign up today, choose a plan, and get your first box. So if we say join the club, so we have the snack box from $24.99 is what I have right here, or you can choose the classic box from $39.99. So let's say join now for the snack box. And as you can see here, you can do a one-time purchase, which jumps the price to $29.99 plus $9.99 shipping, or subscribe and save. That's where we get the $24.99. You can get it monthly, every other month, or every 3 months. And I am super excited to jump in here. And I just want to thank the guys over at Carnivore Club for sending me out this box. And I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what I think of it. All right, let's break this bad boy open and let's see what we got inside. So it looks like we have the cheat sheet of everything that's inside. Now we'll be utilizing that throughout this video. And let's just take everything right out. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, so it looks like we have 3 2.75 ounce bags of beef jerky here and 3 1 ounce bags of beef jerky here. And right off the bat, I'm worried because I know this is premium artisanal beef jerky, and whenever I hear that, I always think fruit mixed in with my beef jerky, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Right here, I see grilled island teriyaki, original hickory, which I'm probably gonna love, and then we have chipotle lime, and this is what I'm talking about, the lime, the fruit mixed in with the meat. And I know some of you guys love that, don't get me wrong, I know it's good, but for me, I don't think it's good. That's just my own personal taste. But let's put these little guys to the side here, and let's check out these 2.75 ounce bags. So it looks like we have some original beef jerky, and I think the company is called HTY. Yeah, HTY original beef jerky, and HTY peppered beef jerky, and HTY spicy beef jerky. So I'm pretty excited here. I've never heard of this company, HTY, and I've obviously never had their beef jerky before. So I know I'm gonna love all 3 of these. So just for the heck of it, let's just start with the original. All right, original beef jerky, HTY jerky, the OG original beef jerky flavor, lightly salted and savory. This traditional jerky is marinated with gluten-free soy sauce and gets an Asian twist with a mild spice profile. Sold. All right, so let's just quickly break into here and give a little taste test. I'm not gonna spend too much time tasting these. I'm just gonna take one little bite and give you guys my quick thoughts. And right off the bat, it's a very, very soft beef jerky. And I'm sorry if I sound picky. I'm just really, really particular about my beef jerky. Not really the biggest fan of soft beef jerky. Wow. Wow. Okay, it has an interesting flavor to it. Now I'm starting to get a little bit of that lightly salted beef jerky taste to it. At first, it tastes a little fruity. I can't really, what is that flavor? Brown sugar. It has a lot of brown sugar in it. I can taste that, and that's what I couldn't really put my finger on. So if you guys like a beef jerky that tastes a lot like brown sugar, you might like this original beef jerky by HTY. All right, next let's try this peppered beef jerky. I just tore it open here, but I didn't taste it yet. And it says that this beef jerky is flavored with a blend of spices and peppers, including dried garlic, chili powder, fresh cracked pepper, and paprika. And is there any brown sugar in there? There is. So let me just try this. Once again, very, very soft beef jerky. Ooh. Yeah, I already instantly like this one way more than the original. Man, this is actually really good. It's very peppery. Got that very spicy. I like it. All right, so far the peppered beef jerky is winning. I'll put that over here. I'll keep the original over there. All right, now we're trying the spicy beef jerky. Tear that open. And it says spicy beef jerky seasoned with a heavy spice blend. This jerky offers a solid punch of spice and flavor. Marinated with gluten-free soy. That seems to be a running thing with these guys, the gluten-free soy sauce, which is, you know, nothing wrong with that. Very soft beef jerky, guys. More of that brown sugar, celery powder. Weird. Because this one's labeled spicy beef jerky, but I actually got more of the heat and the spice from the peppered beef jerky. That's interesting. But regardless, this is still very tasty. I like this one. I'm gonna put it over here with the peppered, and I'll leave the original over there all by its lonesome. All right, now the three I'm kind of iffy about without even opening the bags, because this is fusion beef jerky, and I'm gonna open the one that I think I like the most, and that would be the original hickory. Hickory beef jerky. Tender beef rounds are transformed into hearty bites with a sweet and smoky profile. There's other stuff there, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with reading all of it. Let's just open it up and try this thing. So yeah, very, very soft beef jerky. That seems to be the theme with all these bags, and yes. Yes, very, very good. I mean, you can't go wrong with any kind of hickory beef jerky, whether it's soft or dry, hard, trying to tear it out of your mouth. I like it all. I mean, don't get me wrong, I wish this was the dry, hard beef jerky. I want to tear out my teeth when pulling out the beef jerky, but it's still really, really good. This one goes into the like pile. All right, next, let's try the grilled island teriyaki. Using premium cuts of succulent pork sourced only in the USA, fusion jerky encompasses true traditional Asian style jerky. Each piece is grilled to perfection, bringing you closer to a sweet tropical escape. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good to me. I don't want my jerky tropical. I'm sorry, I'm weird. All right, and break off a small piece because I'm not sure I'm gonna like it. Whoa, it's actually not that bad. Okay. Grilled island teriyaki. Yes, obviously I'm getting that teriyaki flavor come through, but I was a little worried when it said sweet tropical escape. I'm expecting like pineapple or something. But yes, I'm surprised at this one. This one goes over here. And the last one, the chipotle lime. All right. For the sake of this video, I'm going to try this. Small bits, man. Small bits. It's crazy how soft this jerky is. No. No. Woo! Spicy. Why do they have to do this? Okay. First off, it's the hottest of the whole bunch. I mean, my mouth is on fire. So that chipotle is coming through with a vengeance. But then you get that strong lime flavor that just smacks you in the face. And why do they have to ruin that awesome chipotle heat with fruity lime in your beef jerky? And once again, guys, I know some of you out there love this stuff, but for me, I can't stand this fruity beef jerky. And this one particularly, because this could be really, really good if it didn't have all that lime flavor all over it. So unfortunately, you, chipotle lime, are going over here with the original beef jerky. All right, guys, so in this box of 6 bags, we have grilled island teriyaki, original hickory, spicy beef jerky by HTY, and the peppered beef jerky by HTY, which are winners. These are actually very, very good. I can see myself ordering more bags of this stuff. And then we have the not so good pile, just in my personal opinion, of the chipotle lime fusion jerky and the HTY original beef jerky, which is surprising because usually original beef jerky I'm a big fan of. But just the taste of this, it did not win me over. You know what? Just let me just try it real quick. Maybe I got a bad piece. No, I did not get a bad piece. All right, put this back over here, man. All right, so if you guys are curious about HTY jerky or fusion jerky, I'm gonna take a close-up of this little insert and put it on the screen right now, and you guys can pause the video and read up about it if you want to. But other than those 2 bags that were a miss for me, I think this was a pretty successful first tasting of the Carnivore Club. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Carnivore Club subscription box? Yes, this is my first time opening up a Carnivore Club box, and overall, I'm pretty impressed. And if you guys are curious, by far, my favorite was the peppered beef jerky by HTY. My only complaint is that it's soft beef jerky, but that's just a personal preference for me. I like my beef jerky a little more tough, a little more dry, but overall, super impressed by this company. And if you guys want to check out the Carnivore Club for yourself, I will leave links below in my description box. No, I am not sponsored by Carnivore Club, but like I said, they did send this box over to me to check out. And if you guys do like these beef jerky taste test videos, let me know in the comments below. Because if you like them, I'm just gonna keep doing them. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!